everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. Today we are diving into an important topic for anyone involved in certification and auditing. The key principles of ISO 17021. Whether you are a certification body, an auditor or just curious about how certification works, this video will break it all down for you. So let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what ISO 17021 is. This is the international standard that sets the requirement for certification bodies that audit and certify management systems, like ISO 9001 for quality management or ISO 14001 for environmental management. Now let's talk about the key principles that makes this possible. Principle 1. Impartiality. The first and most crucial principle is impartiality. Certification bodies must remain neutral and free from conflicts of interest. Why? Because if a certification body favors a particular company or industry, the entire certification process loses credibility. That's why ISO 17021 requires strict measures to ensure that decisions are objective and based on evidence. Principle 2. Competence. Next up, we have competence. Imagine getting certified by an auditor who doesn't fully understand your industry. Not very reassuring, right? ISO 17021 ensures that auditors and certification bodies have the right knowledge, skills, and experience to assess management systems effectively. Principle 3. Responsibility. Now let's talk about responsibility. Certification bodies must take full accountability for their work. That means conducting thorough audits, making well-founded decisions, and ensuring that certifications are valid and credible. If they get it wrong, it can affect businesses, compliance, and even legal standing. Principle 4. Openness. Then we have openness. Ever wondered how certification bodies operate? Well, ISO 17021 requires them to be transparent about their processes. This means making important information available, like their audit methods, certification criteria, and decision-making processes. This builds trust with businesses and stakeholders. Principle 5. Confidentiality. While openness is important, so is confidentiality. Certification bodies handle a lot of sensitive business data. ISO 17021 ensures that client information remains protected and isn't shared without proper authorization. This builds trust and prevents misuse of information. Principle 6. Responsiveness to complaints. And finally, we have responsiveness to complaints. No system is perfect and sometimes companies may disagree with an audit outcome. ISO 17021 requires certification bodies to have a clear and fair process for handling complaints and appeals. This ensures that concerns are addressed in a structured and professional manner. And there you have it, the 6 key principles of ISO 17021. These principles ensure that certification bodies operate with integrity and professionalism. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.